Hello again, Josh from Double Edge Sharpening. I'm going to do a video now on how we do your home knives, kitchen knives, so we can do sports knives and filleting knives. And what we'll do, I've already done one. This is a knife that I've already completed. We've sharpened and polished. And what we'll do is we'll be able to take the knife that can't do that and turn it into a knife that can. So we're going to work on this knife. We're going to do it on my vertical belt grinder here. So let's get started. Okay, now that we've got that all sharpened and polished up, let's do the same test and see what'll happen. So again, we also sharpen knives, home shears, sewing shears. We also do hair salon and grooming shears, and your kitchen and home knives and your sporting knives. So if you're interested in that, again, check us out at doubleedgesharpening.ca. Check out our YouTube channel here, and you can book online or call us or text us, and we'd love to hear from you and sharpen your knives. Thanks for listening.